it's Aaron, and I'm here with my sister Drew, and we're gonna do the Pop Rocks and Soda Challenge. And so we have our soda and our Pop Rocks, and we each have 3 packets of Pop Rocks. We have a variety of flavors, and we are gonna go, I guess. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Explosion. It's all in my cup. Stop laughing.
It's so funny, I can't help it.
Here's me again. Excuse me again. Breathe.
Are you okay? Oh, gross. Are you okay? This is weird. What's still bubbling?
Our inner soda. There's so many. Okay. It's all around my mouth. Oh my god. I thought you were like throwing it up.
I'm good. It just came through my nose and I started laughing and the rest came out.
Well, I'm done. It felt like, you know how like Mentos explode when they're in soda?
I know.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it felt like it was in my mouth, and I couldn't contain it.
I'm gonna give Aaron an A and a Drew maybe a C. Aaron definitely passed. Half your Pop Rocks are in your soda.
They're on, I spit it out a little bit on my pants. So it kind of looks like I peed myself. An accident. Okay.
I'm not done.
Hurry up.
Okay.
It's not in here.
Oh.
I can't stop burping. So much carbonation. That's even a word.
No, I'll just hear it.
Did you have a time limit, or was it just you had to do it?
No, I don't know. That wasn't so bad.
I could have done it.
I mean, it was bad when I did it, but it's not so bad anymore. Use a napkin. Oh my gosh, it's all over your hand.
Oh, I could have done it if you weren't laughing the whole time.
I'm sorry, it was funny. At one point, it looked like Drew was gonna explode. She was like trying to hold it in so bad. It was funny.
It makes your cheeks pop out like a chipmunk.
Mm-hmm.
You done? Your drink's still popping.
It's all over the table. There's red Pop Rocks all over the table.
You didn't even get it.
I don't know if they were launched by Drew or what.
That was fun.
Okay.
Why are they doing something?
Okay. Thanks for watching. Like and comment more challenges we can do in the comments and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.